All right, y'all. So we're just gonna get right into it this time. Yes, I took an L today, and we're gonna get into how exactly I took this L, bro. Cause it was actually ridiculous. Actually, low-key pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie, but it's cool. I only took one trade today. Follow my rules, all that. Yeah, you already know how that go. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the chart recap. We're gonna recap all this. You know how this go too. So like, let's do it. All right. So I'm coming in the markets, bro. I'm coming in the markets today. Hold up. You know how I go. I gotta mark my daily high, daily low. I went to the 1 minute. I went to the fuck. I went to the daily. Marked out my daily high, daily low. Hold up. It's hella zoomed in. It's overly zoomed in. All right. All right, let me get these out the screen for y'all right now. I told you I can't, can't show that right now. We gotta wait till it's time. It's a little overwhelming sometimes, like I said, but just chill. But all right, just mark the daily high, daily low. That's what we do. 5 minute scaling, boom. Market open. It low key look better on the 1 minute though, but bro, my bias today was literally shorts though, bro. My bias today was shorts. Like my bias wasn't the problem. It wasn't the bias. It low key was my patience though. I'm not even gonna lie. Let me lock this so I can't move it no more. All right, but look, right here, 9:25, 9:30, boom. You see, we got this little uprising. We look like we going up. Let me go on the 1 minute. It looks way better on the 1 minute. And I took this on my funded. Now I'm, $500 away from drawdown. 500 away from blowing. So gotta lock in. But it's cool, like bro, I'm only that far down from that one trade that I was talking about yesterday that put me like a K in the hole because of my over leveraging, bro. Like I accidentally over leveraged because like I'm so used to trading US 100. So, bro, what am I doing? Oh yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Where's 1 minute? All right, bet. 9:29, 9:30. All right, bet. So you see right here, market open. We was going up. Boom. Straight rejected it. Came back up. Came back up. Rejected. Went down. I'm going to show y'all the trade I took, though. And I even went in, and this is what I did. I marked out this low right here. See this low right here? Because as you can see, we went down. Rejected. So, this is what we did. Yo, low-key, I should have never deleted my drawings because now I don't even remember the trade I took. All right. Came down, rejected, boom, went down even more. This is the trade I took. I marked out this low right here too. Marked out these lows. Right here, you see these lows right here? I marked them out. Came down. Oh, let me put my zones on. That's probably why it's not making sense. Put these zones on. Just chill. Might be a little overwhelming, like I said, but this is what we gotta do. It helps. All right, like I said, all right, we went down. Came down. As you can see right here, this is where I started I'm like, okay, we rejecting this line. We are we using this line as resistance. We pushing off of it. Boom. I got in like right here, bro. I got in right here. Right here at this line that resisted. Once it tapped the line, I got in. Boom. Had my stop set right here at this high. Had my oh yeah, right here. I gotta mark out the low. I gotta show how low I had my TP at. My TP was set all the way at. It was some lows over here. Now I can't find the lows, bro. I think it was these lows right here. Yeah, it was these lows right here. TP. Boom. Back to the 1 minute. Trying to mark this up for y'all. I know it's taking a little minute, but just chill. All right. Boom. So like I said, I got in right here. Had my TP set at these lows right here. RR 4.87. That was a beautiful RR. All right, so we go up. We got some gaps. We inverse the gaps. This is a gap right here. We even had a gap up here that we used. It was this gap right here, I'm pretty sure. that we even went in and tapped into. We basically tapped into it. So, bro, I get in. We using this line as resistance. This low right here is resistance. So I'm thinking. So, you see how we went up, came down, went up, came down. Okay, so I'm thinking we gonna repeat the pattern. Go up, come down. So we resisting. We go up a little bit. We resisting. I'm like, all right, bet. We going short. I get in. As you can see, we going down. Boom, shot up. Stop me out. Easy. I got stopped out. But after that, I didn't, like I said, y'all know I've been talking in my other videos. Zone tap, inverse. That's my main confluence. Zone tap, inverse. These zones are basically like supply zones, hidden order zones, and stuff like that. Bro, I call myself not even going against my rules. I went against my rules, I guess. I went against my rules instead of waiting on the zone tap. Because I like trading support and resistance sometimes. So this was resisting, like I said. So I'm looking to get in. It looked good. We kept resisting. You seen it? It kept wicking. Like we kept wicking that line, that low. So I'm thinking we're gonna keep going short. But we get stopped out. But then once we get stopped out, we get a zone tap. At this point, my account's already locked. I already took my trade for the day and everything. So I'm just down 200. It's not even like, bro. I'm staying disciplined to my risk rules and everything like that. So that's still a dub at the end of the day for me. I just keep losing, twin. I just keep losing. I gotta, lock back in. But it just happens sometimes, bro. You lose, you gonna lose. You gotta shake back. We gonna shake back though. Like one good trade could put me, back on the road. Like, so I'm not even tripping. So like I said, we got a zone tap, and we had a gap that we inversed. It was a small gap right here. It was a really small gap that we inversed right here. Inverse this gap. Look, go down. We sweep these lows right here. Go down, sweep these lows. Boom. Come back up. Reject the gap that we swept. That we inverse. We reject this gap. You see, bro, this is literally beautiful. A+. Zone tap. Go down. We would have had our stops up here if we got in at the zone tap. And got it at the inverse from the zone tap. We went up inverse. Well, we went through this gap. This gap is low-key invalid at this point because, it's already been dealt with. So yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of it so y'all can have a better visual. Bro, we go up and we reject this line, bro. We start resisting this. And then we finally push down and go down to my TP right here. And that was beautiful. I ain't gonna lie, this was a beautiful trade. If I would have been able to wait for my zone tap, trade would have been amazing, beautiful. But, can't win them all, twin. You're not going to win them all. And sometimes when you do lose, you just got to see what you can take from it, what you can, go in and revise. And that's what I did, low-key. So that's really what I'm taking out of the day. Like, I'm not even finna, I'm feeling good. I journal my trade already, see what I did wrong, what I could have did better. And I'm learning from that. But that's really it, bro. Y'all boys, it's you gonna lose, bro. Like I said, but no, I lost yesterday too. That's low key, that's effing me up. But it's not even that big of a deal, cause like I said, bro, this strat that I'm using, I know I can outweigh my losses with it. So I just gotta continue to stay disciplined. I'm only losing $200, max, max 300, max 300 every trade. But I'm if I do win my trades, I'm making double that, sometimes triple. So I'm not tripping, bro. You just gotta stay disciplined. That's where discipline comes in play, because you're going to lose. But when you lose, you gotta be able to keep your emotions in check, keep everything in check, and just continue to go on about your day like you would have if you won. You're not always gonna have the best day. And that's really, all I'm taking from this. I'm going, revising, not even revising my strat, just seeing what I could have did better, what I did wrong. And it wasn't too much mistakes I made today, but, like I said, I could have waited on my zone tap. I could have waited on the inverse. But, the reason I took that trade, the reason was valid enough for me, at least, Some of y'all that be trading, y'all might look at this and y'all might criticize me, and, it is what it is, bro. But, yeah, the trade was valid enough for me. The entry point, everything was valid enough for me, so I took it. And I got stopped the fuck out. But it's cool, bro. We gonna live to see another day. We gonna come back on the charts tomorrow, see if we can see something. We're gonna see what news looking like. And yeah, news today was actually it wasn't crazy, but we had a red folder at 8:15, I think, and another red folder at 10. So I really waited till after 10, and that was another discipline thing. Trading, making sure I trade when news is gone, completely done for it, because that'd be killing me too. Sometimes I would have hopped in the trade before news opens and get cooked. But I waited. I waited everything, bro. My patience, I just lacked patience with that one, just waiting on the zone tap, because I low key thought we were just gonna keep pushing down from that resistance when we were resisting that low. But it's cool, bro. Like, we gonna come back tomorrow, get back at it. Like I said, if I end up trading tomorrow, y'all gonna see me tomorrow. Just like y'all see me today. I said if I traded today, y'all see me today. Y'all gonna see me today. But yeah, hopefully y'all could take something from this. I learned my lessons. If y'all won today, that's good, bro. Proud of y'all. If y'all lost, ain't even no big deal. Just learn from it. Keep going forward. That's all we can do. But I'm gonna catch y'all more in the next one.